Welcome to Tech Talk with Koenig Equipment. I'm Curtis Ship. Today we're going to talk about how to manage your product list in Operations Center. Let's get to it. Setting up products ahead of time will save you time in the field and also ensure you have more accurate records of what has been completed. To set up products, go to the Setup tab at the top menu. Scroll down to Products. Products include seed varieties, chemicals, fertilizers, as well as spray tank mixes. We'll start on varieties. We can simply look at our list. If we have some varieties that we are not planting this year, we can simply check mark those varieties and select the archive up in the top right to remove those from the list. If you have new varieties to add, click the Add button in the top right, select Products, and then you can search products from John Deere's database. You can find them in the list and then go ahead and add them. If the item is not in the list, you can go to Add Custom Product and add that way as well. The process is also very similar for chemicals. You can go through the list, select what you don't need, archive, or you can go to Add and again search for products that are out there to add to your list of products. If you do your own spraying, setting up spray tank mixes ahead of time is also very useful. You can go in and add a new tank mix, select a name for it, tell it target crop, overall application rate, tell it the main carrier for that tank mix, and then go ahead and select products out of your list. So you will want to add your products before you set your tank mixes up. So if I wanted to add Roundup, I could look for Roundup out there in the product list. Save that, and we can begin adding products to our tank mix and then putting in the application rate for each product. So you would just continue through selecting products and adding those to your tank mix. You can add 6 products to a tank mix for a 2630 display, and you can add up to 20 products for a Gen 4 or Gen 5 display. Once done, click Save Tank Mix. I also recommend, if you're taking the time to do products and you have a Gen 4 or G5 display, going to set up and turning on data sync so all of these changes will automatically sync to your displays in real time. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk with Koenig Equipment. For more how-tos, visit the customer training section on our Koenig Equipment mobile app. See you next time.